So I will here are the rules for the single player game. Here's a demonstration of it too. So the goal is to get, there's a board, there are 3 players, player 1, player 2, and player 3. Now for the single player game, I'm player 1, and what everyone wants to do is to bring this piece. This red colored tile has a piece on it. You want to bring this piece to your home. So I want to bring it from here to here. I want to take this piece and bring it here. And meanwhile, the other players, they want to also bring the piece to their homes. So we have to, only one of us can do it. Now there are 3 stages per turn, and then we just alternate turns. So I start off by drawing. Now notice that my stage 1 is complete. Stage 2 and stage 3 are more. You can do more than just stage 1. You can actually play cards. Now stage 2, you can either draw or play a special. Here's an example of a special card. Trash talk. Here's a picture of a trash can talking. Now, every player has 3 attributes that determine their standing. They're IT, CF, and HT. So, trash talk, we can choose a target, player 2 or player 3, say player 2. And when we play it, we will take their HT7, and then we will subtract 5 from it. So now this card is gone, and indeed their HT is down to 2. Now, these numbers are capped between 0 and 10. And they stand for intellect, confidence, and hotness. So now, stage 2 is not complete yet. I did my first event. So to complete it, I can either play another special, I can take steroids and increase my HT, or I can draw a card. I think I will increase my own HT. It'll increase my own HT because there's no target. For example, if you look at Trash Talk, there is a target field, whereas that is absent in this card, and it's plus, so it increases my own. I'm the assumed target. My HT should increase, but rather than going to 12, it's maxed out at 10. So when I play this, it goes to 10, and now my stage 2 is complete. Now, unlike the other 2 stages, stage 3 you cannot draw. You can either teleport, which will take this piece and move it here, or you can attack, and you can only do one of these at once. And then your turn ends, and this keeps happening until someone wins, or until everyone is out of cards in their deck. So I will teleport, just so then when I press play, what will happen is this piece here will go down here to my portal. Notice that the draw button is grayed out because I'm in stage 3. So I'll play. It came here. Now observe what's happening in this corner, and on the scroll bar too. Player 2 played Caffeine Pill, increased their IT by +5, so from 7 it maxed out at 10. Player 3 is targeting me, so my IT went down by 5, and player 3 teleported. I can show this. Player 3 played Drunk and targeted me, so Drunk predictably decreases my intelligence. In this case, it decreased it by 5. And then, yeah, player 3 teleported. So it's now here. And now it is my turn. So in the top right panel, what we see is the last card that is being played. Okay, so it's my turn. In stage 1, I'm forced to draw. The play button is grayed out. I draw. Now here's a demonstration of, well, I'll draw again. Now, to end stage 2, I'll draw yet again. Now drawing is grayed out, I have to play a card. So this time I'll demonstrate, instead of teleports, I will do an attack. So normally when you play a card, it disappears afterwards. But virtual attacks are different. They always stay in your hand. Now, it has an attack life 19. Where does this 19 come from? Well, I'm not sure if you can read this, but the card actually specifies the value as SIT plus HT plus CF. So if we just add these, 2 plus 7 plus 10, we get 19. I can choose a target. Say I target player 3. Actually, it's kind of stupid. I should target player 2. I'll play it. So I'm targeting player 2 with 19. Player 2 counterattack with 19, so they should cancel. And indeed, they canceled each other out. So player 2 drew his card. Player 2 stage 2 is complete. So player 2 moved it 8 pieces. You can read it right here. Because player 2 attacked player 3 with 30, and player 3 spawns with 22. And 30 minus 22 is 8. Anyways, now it's player 3's turn. Player 3 has drawn a bunch of cards, played Caffeine Pill, so increase its IT, I presume, if it was not 10 already, and it is attacking me with 25. That's why it's still paused here, because his turn is not over. He's currently attacking me, and I have to respond. Now, notice that now it's missing a target spot. Ordinarily, my attack cards have a target, but since it's not my turn, I am in counterattack mode. For example, I can only play attack card because I'm being attacked. If I try to intimidate someone, doesn't matter whom, it'll tell me pretty clearly that I have to counterattack with an attack card. Now I can attack with 19, or I can attack with 42. I think I should attack with 42. Counterattack with 42. I have no other attack cards. So when I play this, you take my attack, and you take my attacker's attack, and you subtract them, and the person with higher attack gets to move the difference, gets to move this piece that many spaces. So 42 minus 25 is, I know this, 25, 37, 17. I'll click play and find out. Yes, so player 1 gets to move 17 places. So notice that the board coloration of the tiles has changed. The ones with the darker blues are every space accessible for me. And since I want to bring it here, I should either move it here or here. Doesn't matter which, well, I'll just move it here for now. And now player 3's turn is complete, and it's my turn. And then we just keep going on and on until someone wins, or again, until it's a draw, people are out of cards.